Veterans are people that chose to do what the majority of us have not.
A vivid example of a group of people who chose to spend part of their life defending this whole country.
They have families just like I do. They've got community and friends just like I do, and yet they make the tough decision.
The personal sacrifice that we see, the heroism, their brothers and sisters in arms going into danger.
I've had many family members serve, cousins, friends, and my father.
When my grandfather was in the Spanish-American War, my father's in the Pacific in the Navy.
I went back and forth to the ROTC office well over a dozen times. I struggled with this thought of whether to enroll or not.
I did get asked to serve for 2 years, active duty, and I was assigned to Fitzsimmons Army Medical Center.
In the 11th Airborne Division, my dad served as a combat veteran for the United States Army.
Once you're finished serving, it's not that you turn that off, right? But it comes home and it's part of the culture of the family.
So when I look around, I think that veterans are underappreciated. And I think that what we've done here in Northwell is to raise the consciousness a little bit.
Everyone should understand we live on Long Island, and Long Island has amongst the highest population of veterans in the United States.
Our program has been here for 10 years. We initially started in the behavioral health space, but then we quickly realized that it's more than mental health.
It goes to leadership development that we can provide for them, supporting their families.
Our concerted effort to hire veterans and to train them for medical jobs.
The PJs, the parajumpers, before they go to Afghanistan, they come to us for training.
The physical and clinical services, the Barracks to Business program, taking military jobs and crosswalking them into healthcare, the pay differential program.
That is one of the examples where Northwell is leading. A serviceman or woman should not have to be worried about putting food on their table for their families while they're away serving this country.
When you're watching over us, fighting on our behalf, standing up for what is right, we've got your back at home.
It's close to home. This is very important and personal to many of us here.
To me, it's a duty, it's an obligation, it's part of who we are as Americans, it's part of who we are here.
I think it's a moral, a societal obligation. It's just the right thing to do.
Supporting those who give so much of themselves, that's absolutely what we can do, and we do it.
Once Northwell makes a commitment, it is solid, and it's sustainable, and it's real.
Our next mission is how do we spread that throughout the United States? What an incredible difference that we can make to the veterans in our country.